Onions are a staple ingredient in various cuisines worldwide, prized for their unique flavor and versatility. They belong to the allium genus, along with garlic, leeks, and chives. Let's discuss the benefits and limitations of onions in this video. Benefits of onion. Nutritional value. Onions are low in calories but rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C and B6, folate, potassium, and manganese. They also contain antioxidants like quercetin and sulfur compounds, which have various health benefits. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants present in onions help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Heart health. Onions contain compounds that may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clot formation, thus promoting heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. The sulfur compounds in onions possess anti-inflammatory properties, which may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and asthma. Digestive health. Onions contain dietary fiber and prebiotics, which support digestive health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and preventing constipation. Immune support. The vitamin C content in onions helps support the immune system, enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the compounds found in onions, particularly quercetin and sulfur compounds, may have anti-cancer properties and could help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colorectal and stomach cancer. Blood sugar regulation. Onions contain compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity, making them potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. Limitations of onion. Digestive issues. Onions contain certain carbohydrates and fibers that may be difficult for some people to digest, leading to bloating, gas, and digestive discomfort, particularly in individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or certain gastrointestinal conditions. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to onions or develop allergic reactions, such as skin rashes, itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing, upon consumption or contact with onions. Heartburn and acid reflux. Onions are known to trigger heartburn and acid reflux in some people, especially when consumed in large quantities or by individuals with gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Potential interactions with medications. Onions, particularly when consumed in large amounts or as supplements, may interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, by affecting their effectiveness or increasing the risk of side effects. Sulfur compounds odor. The sulfur compounds present in onions give them their characteristic odor, which may be off-putting to some individuals and can cause bad breath. Cooking onions can help mitigate this effect to some extent. Hemolytic anemia risk in pets. Onions, along with other allium species like garlic, can be toxic to pets, especially dogs and cats, causing hemolytic anemia when ingested in large amounts. Pet owners should avoid feeding onions to their pets. While onions offer numerous health benefits and are a flavorful addition to many dishes, individuals with specific dietary restrictions, allergies, or sensitivities should consume them in moderation or avoid them altogether. As with any dietary component, it's essential to consider individual health conditions and consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist if necessary. The element present in onions that causes tears when chopping or cutting them is called S-propmethyl oxide. This compound is released when the onion cells are damaged, such as by slicing or chopping. When S-propmethyl oxide comes into contact with the moisture in our eyes, it forms sulfuric acid, which then stimulates the eyes, tear glands, leading to tears. Despite being an irritant to the eyes, SYN propanethyl S oxide is not harmful and is produced by onions as a defense mechanism against pests and predators. Some methods, such as chilling the onion before cutting or cutting it under running water, can help reduce the release of this compound and minimize eye irritation.